नमस्कार येवकार तुमका आम्ही सध्या असा सत्तरी वाठारांतल्या नगरगाव पंचायतीच्या उस्ते या गावात खूप जाणांक खबर आसा की लोक गोंयांतल्यान राफ्टिंग करपा खातीर हिमाचल प्रदेश मनाली सारख्या जाग्यार खूप जाण राफ्टिंग करपाक वता. सो गोंयांतूय बी राफ्टिंग हे चालू केल्ले ते म्हणल्यार आदले मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर हांच्यांनी 10 वर्सां पयलीं सत्तरी वाठारांतल्या उस्ते या गावात केल्ले. ताच्या उपरांत हांगासर खुबशे पर्यटक गेल्ल्या वर्सा पावसा दिसांनी हे वॉटर राफ्टिंग जाता आणि ह्या उस्ता गांवांत ते म्हणटा की जे कळसा आनी भंडोराच्यान जी न्हंय येता ती उस्ता गांव जावन मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत आमी तिका म्हणटा म्हादय न्हंय आणि ह्या थंयच म्हादय न्हंयचेर हांगासर वॉटर राफ्टिंग वायट वॉटर राफ्टिंग म्हणून जाता. आणि उस्ता गांवांतून स्टार्ट जाल्या उपरांत जवळपास उस्ता गांवांतून 10 किलोमीटर फुडें गेल्या उपरांत सोना ह्या गांवां पावता आणि हे 10 किलोमीटर अंतराचे वायट वॉटर राफ्टिंग जाता. आणि हे अनुभव घेवपा खातीर खुबशे गोंयांतले लोक येता आणि गोंया भायले खुबशे टुरिस्ट हांगासर येता आणि आतां आयल्या ते म्हटल्यार गोंया भायल्यान खुबशे टुरिस्ट. सो आमी हे ऑर्गनायज केल्यार ते म्हटल्यार गोवा टुरिजम डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन जे आसा तांच्यांनी हे वायट वॉटर राफ्टिंग उस्त्या सत्तरी हांगासर स्टार्ट केले आसत. चला तर पळोवया आमी सत्तरींतले उस्त्या गांवांतले म्हादय रिवराचेर केल्ले वायट वॉटर राफ्टिंग. ही राफ्टिंग एक्सपिरियन्स करपा खातीर गोंया भायल्यान खुबशे लोक येता आनी तूं पळोवपाक शकता म्हाज्या फाटल्यान हांगासर खुबशे टुरिस्ट गेस्ट आसा. चला तर पळोवया उस्त्या गांवांतल्यान स्टार्ट जातली राफ्टिंग आणि ते डायरेक्ट वतले ते सोना गांव. हे 10 किलोमीटर राफ्टिंग कशें जातलें ते आतां आमी पळोवया. चला तर पळोवया सत्तरी वाठारांतले वॉटर राफ्टिंग. तर आता आम्ही उस्त्याच्यान पावलेले ते सोना गावामध्ये उस्त्या गावामध्ये सध्या पावलेले आसा आणि ह्या म्हादय न्हंयचे सध्या ते वॉटर राफ्टिंग करता आसतना ते स्वता हांगासर तुमकां उतरपाक दिता. म्हादय न्हंय तुमकां जर बसून जर स्विमींग करपाक जाय सायडी जाल्यार ते करपाक हांगासर तेंची सुविधा उपलब्ध आसा. सो GTDC कडल्यान सगळे सुविधा आहा ती हांगासर उपलब्ध केल्लेले आसा. आप किधर से आए और ये राफ्टिंग के लिए आपको कैसा मालूम हो गया है?
हम गुजरात से आए हैं. राफ्टिंग के लिए मेरे दोस्त ने सजेस्ट किया था कि एक बार गोवा जाओ तो ये राफ्टिंग करना बहुत अलग है. तो बहुत मज़ा आया. यहाँ के बर्ड सेंचुरी वगैरह बीच में आया था. बहुत अलग है और बहुत मज़ा आया.
और पानी इतना बहाव तेज है तो आपको डर नहीं लगा?
डर तो बहुत लगा पर बाद में इन लोगों का सपोर्ट और प्यार के हिसाब से डर नहीं लगा.
रिंग मास्टर में सो गुड.
रिंग मास्टर अपने बहुत
अच्छा है. इट्स अ एडवेंचर एंड एवरीवन हैव टू.
ये तो आपका ये सब नेचर बायोडाइवर्सिटी वो सब मिला के कैसा लगा नेचर?
Excellent experience.
What do you like to say to other people or tourists? Any suggestion?
Everyone have to come here and do it.
Actually good. We haven't expected this much of things, but we came for a beach, but this was unexpected and it was good.
Okay, from where you get this information of rafting in so far away from capital city?
Actually, we saw in Google somewhere. So on this time,
Yeah, so in monsoon activity, rafting was famous. Whatever we saw in Google, so we thought of trying it, and it was very good.
actually good.
Initially, it was scary, but once you get into the water, you get the flow of it, so it was very good.
So what do you like to say to other tourist people, those who visit Goa?
You should try in monsoon season. It is very good. In the river rafting is very good. You should try it. Give it a try.
If you want to differentiate between beaches and the river Western Ghats, what do you like to say?
To be honest, Western Ghats, because beach is now way too crowded, so this is a bit nice.
So how was your experience at rafting in Sattari?
Yes, it's amazing. It's very nice. I enjoyed a lot.
Okay, so from where you came from?
We came from Palasa, which is Andhra Pradesh.
Okay. Who told you about this rafting in so far away from capital city of Goa?
Yeah, but we seen in Instagram reels, and now some of our friends suggested that, and we came here.
What do you like to say about this river, especially Madai?
Yeah, it's amazing. Like the nature, the birds, and everything. Everything is like excellent. You can't express in words. Beach is something like different, but this is awesome. Like I can't express in words. That's amazing. Zingli.
So biodiversity is better than beaches you are.
Yes, obviously.
Myself, I'm Noshad, and that's my team over here. We've been doing whitewater rafting in Goa since 10 years, and we're getting a great response. This was like for the beginners. Actually, we're getting like class 3 rapids on this river. It's good fun for the beginners actually. We only operate on the monsoon, 2.5 or 3 months in the monsoon. It starts from June 15, we go until September 15 actually. About the flow, yeah, it's fun when it's raining actually, to be honest again. When the water is really very high and it's dangerous, we obviously stop, we don't do the runs, but we know exactly, we've been here on this river for since 10 years. So we got a very good study about this river, and also very safe. We do it only when the water level is on good, when it's great actually. Otherwise we stop the trip, but this happens only in monsoon, so I ask people to come and participate. It's great fun. I welcome everybody from our team. Yeah, that one thing, and we used to get some local Goans too, but for a couple of years we're not getting much response from the locals. So hope, yeah, the first people, they have to come here and enjoy it. It's happening in Goa itself, instead of going outside Goa and looking for whitewater rafting. It's happening very near to you, and yeah, please come. We are the only team who are operating here in Goa actually. Booking is done online actually. You can go on www.goarafting.com. We also got our Insta page on the name of Goa Rafting. You can get our numbers over there, and just need to call us, that's it.
आम्ही सध्या सत्तरीच्या उस्त्या गावातल्या राफ्टिंग केल्यावर आम्ही स्ट्रेट पावले ते सोना गावात, आणि सध्या सोना गावात एक 10 किलोमीटरचे व्हाईट वॉटर राफ्टिंग हांगासर सोंपलेले आसा. आणि कोणाक जर हांगासर व्हाईट राफ्टिंग करपाक जाय, गोंयांतले एकमेव व्हाईट वॉटर राफ्टिंग म्हणटा ते सत्तरी तालुक्यांत जाता. कोणाक जर हांगा ट्राय करपाक जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी GTDCचे गोवा टुरिझम डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशनचे वेबसायटीर जावं तेंचे ऑनलायन आहा थंयसर तेंच्यांनी रजिस्टर करून हे एन्जॉय करूंक शकता. स्टुडंटा खातीर सत्तरीच्यान रुपेश रावत.